Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Okay, Josie, I hate myself. All right, it's 2026. How did that happen? How the f did that happen? No, I don't know. I digress. I have no idea. But here we are. So this is gonna be a what I've got from Ulta this month. It's my birthday month. Hello! Shout out to all you Capricorns out there. In your birthday month for Ulta, you get ×2 points, and it's one of my favorite things, so I take advantage of it. So I have a big haul of new things, and maybe some things that I just needed repeats? Just extras of. And we're gonna get into this. Hello, my name is Josie. I put out videos here on my channel. I have taken a pretty long break. You know, life, it happens sometimes, but you guys know I love you. And I also put out videos on my other social media, TikTok, Instagram, whatnot. Yeah, I'm here, and here we go. So, I've had this makeup on all day. Give me some slack. It's starting to break apart. I just powdered underneath my eyes just to kind of keep it together. And yeah. So let's do this. Here are my bags. It's a little ridiculous. I will be honest, I do have a problem. But to my defense, I get ×2 points during the whole month of January. Okay? ×2 points. ×2. All right, let's go through the little bag first. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? I need like an open space. I need an open space made. All right, so here we go. I picked up the e.l.f. Lash Extend. So this is, I'm gonna be doing like a new e.l.f. launch makeup video because, listen, e.l.f. is killing the game. They have some really good launches, like new launches, but they didn't have a new launch for mascara, so I just got the Lash Extend. And then I also got a little mini refill of the Power Grip Primer, and I like to put this in my gym bag if I'm, you know, going to the gym and then I have a little gym case of makeup things just in case I have to go to work after the gym. But I mean, if you guys want me to go through that, actually that'd be kind of cool video. I would like to watch that, like what's in your like gym case, like to get ready after the gym if you need to. Okay, so I got the new Holy Strokes Microfine Brow Pen from e.l.f. This is in the shade Neutral Brown. I'm actually really excited about this. I got a refill of the Smoky Kohl eyeliner. I got a refill of my beige pink lip liner, and then I also got another one, the Espresso Martini Cool Taupe Brown eyeliner. Not eyeliner, that was lip liners. They were both lip liners. Did I say lip liners? I'm losing it. Anyway, okay, so I also got 2 shades of the Soft Glam Satin Foundation. Not sure which one is my shade because e.l.f. doesn't have testers. I really wish they did, but I could see why they don't want to because I can see it getting messy. All right, I also picked up the Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. I'm actually really excited about this. And then an eyeshadow palette. So this one is Nude Mood. It's a very nice nude palette. It does look like there's a couple cool tones in there, but then also some warm tones. So a little bit of both. I'm actually really excited about that. All right, and then I also got their new e.l.f. highlighter. This one is in Soft Pearl Era. I'm actually really excited for this. And then I got their these are their new Glow Reviver Slipsticks. I got 2 of them. I got Jam Packed and then Love Slick, which I feel is supposed to be like a black honey dupe from Clinique and then a pink honey dupe from Clinique. We'll see though, we'll see. All right, so after that, I also got the new Soft Glam Satin Concealer. I'm actually, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this. Hopefully I got the right shade. I got light cool and 20. So hopefully these will, you know, work on the face. Hopefully they're not too drying because I'm getting a little bit older and I feel like my skin is getting so dry. So the drier the product, the more flaky you can see my skin. So we'll see. I also got the new NYX Professional Makeup. This is the Buttermelt Stick. This is so pretty, guys. Like, look at this shade. It is truly like a butter stick, I will not lie. But look, the camera's not doing it justice. It has multiple shades of glitter in it. Oh my God, the camera is not doing justice. I am so sad. Look at that. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh God. Okay, so this one is Big Melt Energy. It is really pretty. I could see myself even just putting this on my chest during the summer months. Okay, so moving on, that is my small bag of goodies. Let's move on to the bigger bag of goodies. Drink break. Big bag. All right, so here we go. I got the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. So this is the this is the viral one that has the creams. It's supposed to be a dupe for super high-end shadow. They have the creams over here. You can use them as eyeshadow bases or eyeliners. That's a pretty, I think I'm gonna put this in my gym bag. I'm not gonna lie to you. Or I might buy another one to put in my gym bag. I wish there was like one that was cut in half, like a 4 one, where it was just the 2 creams and then like 4 colors or 6 colors, so it was a little bit shorter. But anyway, I got another Morphe M332 brush. This is a eye blender brush. It is, I already have one. It's one of my favorites. It looks like so. It's a little bit shorter of a blender. It's not as tall as, let's say, the Beauty Creations one. See how much smaller and shorter it is? But I do like both of them. They both are amazing. All right, and then I got, okay, so I got the Bunny Line Smoother. This is viral on TikTok, and I've used it a couple times. I actually really enjoy this. It is really, it's probably one of the best eye creams that I've ever put on my eye underneath my makeup, where it doesn't break up any of the makeup. It doesn't peel. It doesn't make the makeup crease. It just soaks into the skin and creates a beautiful base for the makeup. I honestly really like this, and I would not be surprised if it became my everyday eye cream. All right, I got the long-lasting Impress eyelashes. These are one of my favorites. This is the Demi Edgy. I really love this one. It's one of my favorite eyelash kits. I got 2 of them because they were on sale. Thank you, Rachel. All right, so I then also got Alicia or Unleasha. I'm not sure. Honestly, I'm sorry. This is the Shaper the Shaper Pomade Eyebrow Fixer. This is actually really cool, and I'll show you why. So it looks like this, right? So you have your applicator, which is like this. It's like your, original applicator. But you also, when you twist it and pull it, you have this underneath it. So you can like really press your brows. I actually have it on today. You can really press your brows down and then comb them out with the applicator on it. It's actually really nice. I really like this. I haven't wore it for a full day yet, so we'll see if it flakes. It has not flaked yet. All right. I don't know if you guys follow Abby Young here on YouTube. I do. I freaking love her whole channel. I am addicted to her like hair care videos. I love them. I am trying the L'Oreal Paris Everpure sulfate-free, the glossing 5-minute lamination mask. We're gonna try this tonight. Hey, be nice to each other. Sorry, my cats were just fighting. How dare they? No. Okay, so this is the rinse off treatment, the gloss treatment. I cannot wait to try this. I am so ecstatically excited. I cannot tell you. All right. I also got, and honestly, this is probably one of my favorites. Okay, I bought this a little bit ago, but I have to include this into my video because I love it so much. I'm probably gonna need a new tube soon. And that is saying a lot because I go through a lot of lip products. Like this being my like full gig, like I do makeup all the time. I like review makeup. I'm a makeup lover. I love everything about the beauty space. This is probably one of my favorite lip balms. This is the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment. This is their new flavor, the Vanilla Bonbon. Honestly, it's my favorite out of all of them. It's like a beautiful, like milky, almost milky clear. That doesn't make sense because they're exactly opposite. They're clear, but it also has like a little bit of a white base underneath it. So it looks like very creamy on the lips, but also super hydrating and glossy. It's beautiful. Also, it smells like a literal cupcake and it's amazing. It is honestly amazing. This is not sponsored. I just really love this lip balm. Okay, I picked up the Personal Day lip balm. This is the Emotional Support lip balm. I'm actually really excited for this too. I have never tried it, but it has squalene, hyaluronic acid and aloe in it, so I'm excited to try that. I also picked up the Starface, whoa, wait a minute. Yes, the Starface Star Balm because they have a flavor in Starfruit, and I love Starfruit, honestly. I'm really, really excited to try this as well. I picked up the new Tattoo Studio Dip Ink. This is just like Maybelline's eyeliner. I wish it was not a felt tip, but that's okay. That's all right. I'm gonna try it. I'm very excited. I got all 3 of the Super Peptide lip balms from Essence. Like $5, guys, and they're really good lip balms. It comes in 3 shades, like a light pink, a coral, and then like a nudie color. They're really good. They're really good. I got 2 Le Monde Gourmand perfumes because they were on sale at Ulta. I got the Kathleen Lights edition, the Bisou de Fleur. This is such a fresh, yummy perfume. I love it. And then I got the Petal Ephemer. I can't say it. I'm sorry. The Petal Ephemer? I don't know. Okay? It smells like marshmallow goodness, and I love it so much. All right, if you guys don't know Le Monde Gourmand, it is a affordable fragrance brand. It's the Kathleen Lights ones, by the way. This is definitely going in my gym bag. Actually, I might buy 2. One for my gym bag, one for my car. We'll see. I love this one. But Le Monde Gourmand is a fragrance brand that's very affordable. These are like, I think $30 each. You can't get better than that. And the perfumes are actually really good. Some of their perfumes are like dupes for other perfumes as well. Like the Male, I believe that's how you say it, is the Gucci Flora, the pink one. They smell almost identical. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, all right, moving on. I also got the Half Magic Crystal Butter Lipstick in this crazy beautiful toffee color. So this is the Cinnawitch. It's so pretty. It's honestly so pretty. Half Magic is one of my favorite brands. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so this is like a crystal, it's a shimmer lipstick and it's gorgeous. All right. Then I got the Fui lip gloss, and this is in Scotch, and this is one of my, this has become, it smells so good, you guys. This has become one of my favorite lip gloss brands because they're actually doing something really, really cool and unique. They do lip glosses that are in different levels of pigment. So there's 30% pigment, 70% pigment. You can get one that is more sheer and you can get one that is full pigment. It's actually really amazing, and they have them in the same shades, just different pigments. It's really, really cool. I have a few of these, but this one is Scotch. It's like a nude brown, and this is, I think this is in the 70%, no, 30% lip gloss, or lip, 30% lip, 30%, I can't English. I know English, oh my God, I do know English, guys, I do. I just can't English today. I simply cannot. This is the 30% pigment in Scotch. And then I got another Ulta lip oil. So this is the tinted lip oils, and I've really been loving them. And I have the darker nude one here, and I've been wearing it a lot, actually. I decided to get the baby pink one because I don't know if you guys watch my shorts here on YouTube, but I'm really trying to find the perfect pink, like baby pink lip. We'll see. All right. And then I got these 2. I got the Kylie Skin Tint Blurring Elixir in 2.5N, and then the Kylie Cosmetics Natural Blur Powder Foundation in 2WN. So that is it. That is all I got from this monthly haul. And when I say monthly, I mean 2 purchases. You know, except for that lip balm, except for this. I got this at the end of December, and I just really had to put this in there because it's a really good buy. If you really need a good lip balm, Olay. And then also, I really love the Eden lip balms. Those are, or lip treatments. Those are really good as well. And yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. If you want to see a specific video on any of these products, let me know in the comments below. And please subscribe if you like what you see. It really helps me out. And follow me on all of my other social medias. They are all under Beauty by Josie K. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah.